I've always questioned myself as to what makes me want to change my cookware set. At times, it may be the urge of trying something new and more compatible than my old pots and pans. Or it may be the wear and tear of my existing cookware set. It should be well constructed, non-toxic, and high-performing. It should meet the ends of my kitchen requirements and should complement the look of my kitchen interiors. Yes, this is why I have picked the two pioneers of kitchenware industry here, Cuisinart and Calphalon. I'm going to review and compare their two best picks, Cuisinart's GreenGourmet Cookware Set and Calphalon Classic Collection Cookware Set. We will go in depth and check the various features they offer. We will compare the performance, durability, compatibility, and the costs of both of them to see which one stands out. To start with, let's have a look at what both cookware sets offer. Cuisinart vs Calphalon Cookware are top picks. Cuisinart GreenGourmet Hard Anodized 12-piece non-stick cookware set. This Cuisinart GreenGourmet collection allows you to cook environmental-friendly meals without having to compromise on the taste. This 12-piece set contains all basic kitchen pots and pans that are required to start a new kitchen. This cookware set is constructed using the hard anodized aluminum, which makes it highly constructive to heat. It also allows even heating, eliminating hot spots. You can cook delicious meals using minimal energy and saving a lot of your precious time. The handles and the lids are made of riveted 70% recycled stainless steel to stay cool on the cooktops at all times. This cookware has a ceramic non-stick coating, which is eco-friendly and healthy. This surface does not peel off and is 100% free of petroleum and toxins, including PFOA and PDFE. The cookware features a scratch-free and corrosion-resistant surface for a fantastic cooking experience. The cookware allows you to cook food with minimal oil consumption. These pots and pans are extremely versatile and compatible with most cooktops except induction. It's oven-safe and broiler-safe with heat tolerance of up to 500 Fahrenheit. Calphalon Classic Hard Anodized 14-piece Non-Stick Cookware Set. This Calphalon Classic series of cookware set is an excellent inclusion for your kitchen, especially if you're a busy person struggling to cook mouth-watering meals for your family and guests. This 14-piece cookware set gives every facility that you need for perfect daily cooking, measuring lines, pouring spouts, and staining covers. These pots and pans are constructed using durable hard anodized aluminum, and the surface has a dual-layered non-stick coating. The aluminum allows speedy, even heating to cook perfect meals without any hot spots. The non-stick coating allows for easy cleanup and convenient food release. This cookware set includes all the basic inclusions a new kitchen requires to start. It is versatile and compatible with most cooktops except induction. The pots and pans are oven safe with heat tolerance up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The non-stick coating is 100% PFOA and PDFE free to promote healthy, everyday cooking. This allows you to keep food warm until served on your dinner plates. The handles are made long enough with cast stainless steel to stay cool on all cooktops, and the lids are made of shatter-resistant tempered glass. Hand wash only is recommended for long-lasting durability. Cuisinart vs Calphalon Cookware Detailed Comparison. Number 1. Design and Construction. Both Cuisinart and Calphalon brands offer complete kitchenware solutions with its new collections of pots and pans. The GreenGourmet promotes eco-friendly cooking and encloses 12 pieces of versatile cookware, while the Classic Collection offers 14 pieces of cookware and is toxin-free too. The former is designed for comfort while the latter is designed for excellence. The pots and pans of Calphalon Cookware have measuring lines, pouring spouts, and staining covers including in the interior design. Both cookware is constructed using hard anodized aluminum and double layer of non-stick coating. Cuisinart uses ceramic-based non-stick, while Calphalon uses regular non-stick coating. Both the brand's pots and pans are equipped with stainless steel stay-cool handles, and the collection includes shatter-resistant, tempered glass lids for perfect cooking that retains all the moisture and flavors within. P.S. Calphalon brand exceeds the design and construction expectations. Also, it encloses 14 pieces of cookware with perfect cooking design. I go with the Calphalon brand's pots and pans here. Number 2. Material and Durability. As far as the basic construction is concerned, both have used heavy-duty hard anodized aluminum. However, they are distinct when non-stick coating is concerned. Cuisinart GreenGourmet has a non-stick surface that is made of water-based ceramic material, ceramic. It is PFOA-free, petroleum-free, and PDFE-free, while the Calphalon Classic has a superior quality regular non-stick coating, which is just PFOA-free. It lacks to remove the PDFE toxins. Talking about durability, Cuisinart's non-stick surface is fragile compared to Calphalon's surface. The non-stick easily wears out, peels off, and cracks after prolonged use in the former cookware pots and pans. Calphalon shows long-lasting durability as far as material is concerned. P.S. Calphalon Classic is PFOA-free, which makes it non-toxic. The non-stick coating lasts longer than other option, therefore, my pick here is the Calphalon brand. Number 3. Performance. Calphalon cookware are born to perform. The food doesn't stick on its non-stick surface, thereby releasing food on your plates is a blissful experience. You can cook healthy, oil-free food on these pots and pans. The aluminum base speeds up your cooking process due to even heat distribution and high heat conductivity. You can perfectly cook meals in just a few minutes. Contrarily, although the Cuisinart has a non-stick ceramic coating, food upon repeated use tends to stick on the surface. Food release is easy, however, if overcooked, then you would have to scratch the food out of the pan. This results in the non-stick layer getting peeled, scratched, and wrapped. P.S. I don't want particles of ceramic to come into my food, thereby I choose Calphalon brand and its cookware in terms of performance. Number 4. Cleaning and maintenance. Both are easy to clean as they are designed with non-stick surfaces. A dishwasher can deteriorate the material quality, therefore the brands recommend not to use them in the dishwasher. Hand wash them, which is easy and quick. Simply use a soft sponge and liquid soap to clean up the pan's mess in no time. Again, Calphalon cookware is easy to clean as the food practically doesn't stick on the surface a lot. P.S. Calphalon cookware is better performing than Cuisinart's cookware. Therefore, you know my choice here too. Number 5. Cooktop compatibility and versatility. The Cuisinart cookware set is compatible for use with most cooktops such as gas stoves, electric, glass top stoves, ceramic, halogen, oven, and broiler. It does not support induction cooking and can withstand heat up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. On the other hand, Calphalon cookware is compatible with mostly all cooktops mentioned above except induction and broiler and can withstand heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Both are equally versatile and you can cook all types of meals, cuisines, and try out innovative dishes using them. P.S. Cuisinart ceramic cooking collection being compatible with grills and broilers and being able to withstand higher heating temperatures exceeds by a point here. Number 6. Value for money. When it comes to investing your hard-earned money, you always want to look for a cookware option that is durable and lasts long. You also want it packed with cooking features and should be compatible and versatile when it comes to cooking varieties for your family and guests. Cuisinart Company is an exceptional compilation of cookware range that can complement your kitchen and provide you with excellent cooking experience. However, the ceramic coating does not promise long-lasting performance. The Calphalon Cookware Company is an all-in-one cooking solution that offers a great cooking experience to everyone, including beginners as well as chefs. It is highly durable, long-lasting, compatible, versatile, and a complete value for money that you tend to invest in. Of course, this set of pots and pans is more expensive than the other ones, but it is all worth the purchase. Which cookware brand is better, Cuisinart or Calphalon? I have done an in-depth analysis of both of the cookware sets and after careful research, I have concluded that the Calphalon Classic non-stick cookware set, although a little high priced compared to the other cookware option, is 100% worth the purchase. You will not regret this investment, and I'm sure you will love cooking in these pots and pans. I have made my choice. What about you? Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.